2024 10 October sibuya crash mnganami. Hayi kuze imoto emuva. Ihamba kancane. Manje mina ngulomuntu ukuthi ngiyahlokomela ngiva ngibheke emuva yabona. Hayi le moto le idlula. Instead of imoto idlule iyahamba. Abo baba badala 40 50 age so. Hayi bo baby. Ke ka level la motho ha ka le kana le papaka mos. Ase na why ka re ona le attitude. Ke re no ke so. Babona. Are you a fetola na masipa. Phuma nesilver gun angithi toy ngithi ngikuprank bangiprank ningawari ngiya-act ingqondo ingitshela lo ukuthi hayi no lento le ayiyenzeki hlala phansi angeke wena uclever unale attitude ngiyakonithatha attitude onale ngiyona masifike endaweni uvula igate so masifike endlini amarumini wakhona into aqala ukuyenza abheka amashulisisi wangibopha ngibophela ngopi emuva makaqeda wangikhumula ibruku wathatha icondom wayenza ngazi ukuthi upenetrateile or what waphinde wakhipha wafaka wrong.
Tamikwa, on 3, 2, and action.
Sanibonani Dumelang everybody and welcome back to another amazing episode of Soweto Podcast. It's your girl Tamikwa Keso back again with another sexy banger. Yes, when I want. And I get some one today. Can I also want to owner? But before we step into it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Only positive. But negative. Get a mistake. Positive comments only. I get it, guys, and also become a member, right? Don't forget about that part. Now, without any further ado, let's jump straight into today's business. Hello, girl. How are you?
Jan.
Ngiyapila.
My name is Natasha Masuku and I'm from Pretoria, Soshanguve. I'm 21 years old and I'm 21.
Okay.
I'm single mother. No putam. Yes.
And then ukhulele
everywhere. Mara, shooting end up Pretoria.
Where is everywhere?
Everywhere, like
who was
from Joburg, Davidton, ngayo Mpumalanga, Tembisa. Now I'm on Pretoria, so yeah, everywhere. Ngahambi.
Okay.
Yes.
Umuntu onjani so?
Yo, mina ngumuntu onenhliziyo encane shem. Ngi-impatient like ngifuna into ukuthi yenzeke ngesikhathi lesi plan engaso, understand? So yeah, ngumuntu nje mara nginenhliziyo enhle, nginenhliziyo embi mara ngi-impatient. Yes.
Ngikhule uhlupha.
No, hawu shem mina ngisweet shem. Hayi noma mama ngeke aza kutshela ukuthi ngihluphile. No shem.
Okay. Namhlanje ngiphethele iphi indaba?
Yo, ngizonixoxela. Hayi, bekuyi 10 October 2024.
Okay.
Ngizoxoxa ngestory se-survivor. Ngiyi-survivor ye and kidnapping.
Okay.
Yes. So 2024 10 October sibuya crash mnganami. So unomngane one of which yabona nomngane one you know ukuthi if indaba eso izofufa. Akekho umunye umuntu, understand? So ngithanda ukuba nomuntu oyi-one. Abanye abantu angibafuni, right nomngane one. So sibuya crash umnganami naye nomntwana. But beyakhapha mina ecrash ukuthi ngimikise umntwana. So masibuya kuza imoto yabona umnganami ulokile kwaba noma ulokile awufocus ngithi hayi kuza imoto emuva. Ihamba kancane. Manje mina ngulomuntu ukuthi ngiyahlokomela ngiva ngibheke emuva yabona. Hayi le moto le idlule. Ngene ngithomezini areme kothukunyana yabona. Golo ifit because no I'm not comfortable wabona. How siyema vele instead of imoto idlule iyahamba. Abo baba badala driver light complexion nyana lo munye dark nyana 40 50 age so. Hayi bo baby. Ke ka level la motho ha ka le kana le papaka mos. I was like yebo ninjani sisiyaphila bo baby le aka really lift. I was like no ayisifikile sijika khona la wabona. Ase na why ka re ona le attitude ke re no ke so wabona. Are you a fetola na masipa.
Okay.
Like ngumuntu uthi mangikhuluma ngiyas-express yobona nawe uyangibona ukuthi okay manje ngidinile or what yabona. So are okay ke re khopela di number. Ngithi mina yo angina phone yabona ngiphathana yabona. So sangibona ngathi manje sekabuza too much. I was like kanti beningadluli. Athi okay ke before sidlula nabo banamagama. So umuntu akakwazi ngeke umane uthi hey mina imigama lami so. Ngithi mina ngulisi kwathi choma ngumtumelo yabona. Bathi bona okay sharp. Siyabonga bosisi ne-attitude badlule yabona. Hayi sihambe qhubeke kube mnandi. Hayi zithi 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Emoto leyo kubhizi yazula yabona. So mina ngiya-ignore like ukwabona egroupini makune community group so baloba update bathi hayi kunemoto esiyibonayo lokhu yazula and stuff yabona. So nihlokomelana abantwana because le moto le ayidluli emzini but iyadlula iphinde ibuye as in like istoka someone else or ifuna someone else. So mina ngilo muntu lokuthi ayifuni mina phela into engiyenzile yabona. Ni free. Okay, sharp. Zithi 16 ibirthday yomntanami. Siyakhuluma ne-boyfriend. Siyakhuluma nomuntu wami. Eish baby, ibirthday yomntwana yabona. Senzani? Ayithe nomuntu wami, bona asihlangene ngo-4 emall. Uyasebenza mina ngisebenzi. Ngithi okay sharp sizobona na ngo-4. Zithi 3 ngizilungiselele ngingene endleleni vele ngihamba ngenyawo cause ngihlala eduze nemoto.
Okay.
Sihlangane vele kube ukuthi siyothenga ikhekhe nama drinks asithenga ngento eyiningi. Masibuya sesingasekhaya, uhlala ngasekhaya like ihlala same street, yabona angihlale kibo ngihlala ekhaya uhlale kibo. So athi nabona ngicela ungiboleke i-charge yabona. Akana charge yesi type so ngisebenzisa i-type. Athi ngicela ungiboleke i-charge ngithi okay ngizokunika but by 9 ngicela i-charge yami ibuyile yabona. You know ukuthi if ingabuyi ngizoyilanda. Athi hayi ungawari ngizoyiletha. Hayi kube ukuthi hayi ngene endlini naye kibo vele. Ngiyageza ngigcoka ama track suit. Ipitori nale weather lokuthi kuyashisa mina and then late kuyabanda. So ngigcoka ama track suit. Hayi zithi 8 zithi 9. Umuntu akalethe i-charge yami yabona. Ngithatha ngiyoyilanda umibulelo ubona umuntu ukhathele umisele nale. Hayi mangifika vele bekuthi naye uthi uyayiletha i-charge. Abe sekathi uyangikhapha. Hayi sicoce vele egedini lasekhaya. Immediate athi baba hayi. Hawu. Imoto iyama. So mina nginalento ukuthi ay iye next door kuyafana because inemoto efana nayo yabona ibody and everything and kusebusuku anginaki ukuthi ikhala kanjani but nginothi iya ngapha next door because imoto engapha next door same thing yabona. Hawu kuphuma ubaba angimkhumbuli ukuthi lo baba lo bekangale kule moto angakhulumi but ingqondo inothi hayi wawuzwela ngapha. Makaphuma nesilver gun angithi toy ngithi ngikuprank bangiprank hayi ngiya-acta laba bangilinga asiya khiphana amafoni. Ngithi mina nginafoni athi umuntu wami hayi nami ngiphatha ngafoni athi siceke wena ngene emotweni atshele mina hayi ingqondo ilahlekile like ayibuki ukuthi sisi this thing inyama impela ngithi hayi ngiya-acta ningawari ngiya-acta ingqondo ingitshela lo ukuthi hayi no lento le ayiyenzeki. Ngingene emotweni into engizwile umuntu amayisho umemeze igama lami but amemeza umamami asha ama-flate yabona ngoba naba communicate ngama-flate abafana mostly. So mangaloku asha ama-flate ngathi ayele a-corresponda nyana ngabona abantu bagijimela kule moto le ezeni like bafuna ukuyivimba. Okay mabathi bayivimba umugaya shaya ibullet phezulu hayi kube ukuthi uya-reverse vele hayi uyahamba hlala phansi utshela mina ngingaphi emuva hlala phansi angerwa noClever unale attitude and awuzandile wena uNatasha ngiyakunithatha attitude onale ngiyona yabona. Mina ngiyathula angithi mina ngizitshela ukuthi ngiya-acta maybe umuntu amangiprank angazi. Okay siqhubeke sihambe so siyahamba ngibona ukuthi sihamba wayithi more tsamaya enkoteng ngithi no angazi ariya wafihla uyithi le black waphapha luphapha. I was like kanti lanto le kwenzakalani. Ngiyathula vele masifike endaweni uvula igate uhlala emarumini. Ariya urasefela ngitlo okay ngiyathula like ngumlo muntu ukuthanda kwasha ama-show nje athusayo la usi-ID and other stuff. So I was like athi ngicooperate because obviously it's either ukuzowina yena or mina ngathula. So umise imoto straight nomnyango wakhe so wavula umnyango wathi ngangena avala khiya vele akhiye endlini beka lokaphuza aphuzene again shothi uqhamuka level uyaphuza. So masifika endlini emarumini wakhona into aqala ukuyenza abheka amashulisisi wangibopha ngibophela ngophi emuva makaceda wangikhumula ibruku ne wathatha icondom wayenza ngazi ukuthi upenetrateile or what waphinde wakhipha wafaka raw into engayazi ukuthi uchithile okwenzakaleni because angeke uzubale obviously lento le aniyenzi ukuthi uya enjoy. Wakhipha wafaka raw kwesi2 kwesi3 waphinde wayenzani wabisela icondom angazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni uchithile or what but ngibone nje sekakhiphile uyuze 2 yama condom ne raw phakathi nendawo. Kwaba ukuthi manje sengithi mina kuye kanti lento yenziswa yini. Ukhuluma into ezingahlangani ngapho ngitshela ngomuntu wami ukuthi umuntu wami umjwayela kabi. Mangibiza ukuthi umuntu wami umazela because umuntu wami akusumuntu ade like akana bangani. Ngiyambuza ukuthi umuntu wami usebenza kuphakamasi. Ariya wanixwayela. Mara Istory lesa angitshele zona ukuthi mina ngifela ukuthi mina attitude. Ayi ngimyekela ngoba akazi nokuthi ukhuluma ngani, nothi maybe udakiwe. Ngithi kuye ngicela ukuyeshaya number 2 ngiphethe i-toilet. Athi yena hayi siyabhakeda ash 20 liter. Ngibaje phezu kwe 20 liter. Hayi nangempela ngehle. Angiphathanga isisa ngithukanga, there's no way ukuthi ngabhosha. Like umuntu othukile you know ukuthi isisu siyabila vele obviously uzo. Hayi ngibathi ngiyaliforce isimba liphuma. Athi ngijwayela kabi ne. Or ngiyakukaka next ngawukaki. Ungixwayela hambi ditori tsalena leke ngijwayetse. Okay, ngiqhubeke vela angigibelisa umbhede ngithi ngibophila ngigibelisa umbhede vele ngilala ngibhekile. Hayi ngizenze ngathi ngilele phela nami. Umuntu angicheke so athi hayi ulele. Ngimbheke ngeside eye. Kwenzeka ukuthini? Uba busy ngefoni. Angithi uphuzile uba busy ngefoni. Ifoni wagcina walala pass out walala. So ngathi ngcondo cabanga. Ulele wenzeni? Like bengazi ukuthi ngenzeni party. Ngibabize bonke nalabo engingabazi. Yabona abathi amadlozi aphili ngibabize bonke. Ngathi okay ngenzeni? Ngathatha ngimkhahlele. Ngamkhahlele. Akarespond. Yaphina ngamkhahlela futhi akarespond. Ngavuka. Into engicela ukuyibheka bengibheka uMese. Because bengifuna ukukhatha amashoelaces angithi. Okay, anguthola uMese. Ngenza nathatha igani ngaphansi kombhede. Obviously umuntu makavuka wenzani? Gani. Ngathatha isibhamu phansi kombhede, ngathatha iskiya, ngathatha ibhruku ngaliphonsela ngaphandle, ngakhiya, ngamkhela ngaphakathi. Ngathi ngenzeni? Ngabheka ngabona ukuthi angiyitholi nento ukuthi ngathi ngasika something like ukuthi ahluke namashoelaces. Ngakokota to the next room. Amanye amarumbu anganamuntu. But lela belight elibonisa ukuthi unabantu. Mangikokota ngathi hlala Nigeria so bathi bena ubani? Ngithi mina ngicela uvule uzokhona ukubona ukuthi ubani. Bathi bona go away, we don't want problems. Haw, ngithi okay ngicela at least uvule ifastela. Ungibone ukuthi njani because ngingqungu, you understand? I said hayi hamba asifuni inkinga, like umuntu makasho so is like okay, we used to these things, you understand? I was like umuntu lo uzozangithole la you didn't know ukuthi umuntu unespekhi or what. Ngabheka luckily kune bench ngathi babhemela kulo bekune 2 sticks, kune matchbox ene 2 sticks. Ngathatha le match sticks leyo ngathi uNkulunkulu hey ungacimi wena. Kwahlukana ngagcoka ngajampela ngibonda lama Nigeria ngazi ngijampe kanjani line insimbi so zasesikoleni mara ngilijampile ngathi yo ngabaleka zangabheka nasemuva ngabaleka. So endleleni mangiloko ngibaleka ngifika ngaseSasoli whereby une-T conjunction ngibona i-Venice so yamaphoyisa. Obviously uba nonyamalele yimi ifuna bani yimi. Oh even though ingafuni mina nginalento lokuthi okay bazozibuza ukuthi intombazane lo umadlakadla kuhamba ngenyawo kwenzakalani. Obviously bazofuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani abantu abanendaba. So ngawave ngiyabona ngithi ngawave. Mangiwave kanjalo iyahamba ngoba ukuthi iya reverse futhi. As in like kunomuntu ongibonile ukuthi hayi man that girl wesifuna yena. Vele la kulima ngifika lapha kule venue yabe kunomama wami neboyfriend yami. Ukuthi vele shothi sebaqalile bangifuna. So ngagibela vele venini bangibuza ukuthi la ubuya khona uyakwazi. Ngathi ngiyakwazi bathi asambeni. Kwaqala manje bafonela amanye abaphoyisa because laba bebaze le kule ndawo leya akusiba seSoshanguve bakwenye indawo of which angeke bathathe icase yaseSoshanguve. Kumele bafonele abanye abantu abeduze nendawo yabona. So bafulelana yo ngathi bekunamaveni ayi10 nje kule crime scene leya. Masifika lapha bambuze indoda. Lento yenziswa yini? Kithi nekitseni inkingi. Like uthatha umuntu ucabangani awazi notseni wenkingi. Hayi kithi nekitseni wenkingi vele wahlami so ngqunulele kumnandi yaphupha. Bamlalisa phansi bashutha bathatha wonke ama evidence bayenza zonke into as in like into serious. Bayenza into engcono. Bayenza everything badobha zonke izinto kwaba ukuthi nje bangifuna nento le culprit or yini something like that spam so ye bullet bayithola bathatha everything into enzeke Saturday ngokuthi akwaSunday lapho ngikhona ubaleka khona and then by 6 ekseni bese baqedile kwaba ukuthi bangithatha bangise police station ngiyobhalisa istatement. So ngabhalisa istatement police station. Mangisoye police station ngaya eOD hospital. Webha ngithethe kid umuntu makariwe yabona thatha zonke izinto lezo. And then kwaba ukuthi ngiyabuya ekhaya ngabo Sunday late. So mangibuya obvious abantu babhekile phela Natasha uyile kanjani bafuna ukwazi uyabona. So I was in a state ukuthi like angeke ngikhona ukukhuluma but kunabanye abantu beba understand. So umuntu ozile nje from a community yonkana iCPF la lapha ya ngeke ngilibale igama. Weza wazongichecka ngibuza ukuthi okay ready ukuthi like ungakhuluma sikusize kanjani yabona. Ngathi no ngizokhona ukuthi maybe kusasa ngazi ngizobona ngizokhuluma ukuthi kwenzakaleni and then if bafuna ukungisiza bazongisiza obviously community yenzani mob justice yabona. Hayi kube iMonday ngihleli izwi call ingena ichomi yami hangani ngizwile yazi ukuthi wenzakaleni sorry feder lo muntu lo uyile bambopha izolo ubuyile for sure akakalani nokulala ngithi ubuyile sengiyaphenika phela cause ngiwane endlini and then mama msemsebenzini so I was like ubuyile okay danke ukungitshela cause uhlala ngale kule street sakhe vele ngithi okay danke ukungitshela ngi-inbox mama phela lo muntu lo ubuyile and other stuff athi mama mbona ngiyabuya Kia uhlala kaMachi you understand because you didn't know ukuthi umuntu makabuya uzofuna ukukulayela ukuthi why uye emaphoyiseni and other stuff wabo. So kwaba ukuthi ngiyakhiya ngiyohlala kaMachi indaba yaduma ukuthi umuntu ubuyile because noma mama akabuya abomakhi sebayazi nami semajela ukuthi ngizohlala lapha because lo muntu labathi ubuyile as umzali nawe yazini uzowisho ukuthi yazini at least ukutholakala ijustice ngalomntwana yabona. So kwaba ukuthi indaba yaduma umuntu ubuyile I think ngabo 5 babiza meeting. Babiza meeting basho ukuthi nanga umntana ukidnapiwe uyiwe so umuntu loya uphumile and then obviously mele senze something. Kwaba ukuthi mele ngoba khoma le ngibuya khona le ku crime scene. Basohlangana ngo9. 9 intambama vele kubizwa impempe sihlangana vele kuba ukuthi siyagcwalisa amaveni vele siya ku crime scene. Hawu masifika umuntu ubalekile. Uthipo wani akwaziwa but umuntu ubalekile as in like ngathi bathi hey ngiyanyiwa baba ushizo zonke izinto nje mara impahla zikho. Mara nje into engayisho ukuthi amaphoyisa angifeyilile ayikho into ayenzile. Imoto kutholakala ukuthi hijackiwe le moto la kuseyakhe ayikho igameni lakhe isibhamu asikho igameni lakhe se unlicensed. Ubile ukidnaphile next thing akalali nasejele. You understand? So bona into babafuna ukuyenza ukuqeda ngayo and vele bengiyifavor but I was like inkinga amaphoyisa mawangafika la abanye abantu bozuluzwa abo bababo amadoda wabo ngenxa yami you understand kuthi okay bebayolwela yena manje bona sinamadoda ngenxa yakhe benginalento leyo but somehow bebazoze basiza abantu abaningi ngalento leyo ukuthi bebe at least disappear nje because you don't know ukuthi yimo ukala yabona. So yeah, that's my story.
Okay. That's a rough story. So what I want to find out, Chomia, how would you same street with the guy? The day guy I approach her, did she recognize him?
No, I see Chomi ela nikitama yang lona go Krichenki ola anangwa and then office nekitana li na class.
Okay.
So calling me Chomi ko revele zeni bobutle school and other stuff. And then uboni and then how musol nekitana li na school. How come Natasha ufitile beyang mo wabon? So yeah, again na bizang update or kutlwile and then askisi yabon. Nekitana li na school asena ola neki ile li na go Krichenki.
And then the guy azangabuye.
Azenkabu.
Since abalile the time usidini pizza high.
No, ibile o sharp usatama go swisha nguve because batho ba mmona na ke mmone. Nale batho ba mputsa ngora ke mmone. Usatama go tsileng eso but asanna go di room tsela maybe onna go di room tse dingwe nna ke sa ditseng. But out there South Africa for us.
So why would you think your boyfriend is pranking you? Kanti iso.
Yo mina ngiweird yo like ngathini angithatha izinto serious njengoba ngitshela ukuthi nanoma bebathi imoto in hayi mina benganandaba ngumuntu uthi ngizokhetha wena ungazi uthi ngidlulile kanti mina ngidlulile wena usaluhethekile bona. So ignore izinto nje kakhulu so ngithi uyangipranka mara phela nama ngazi ngicabangani mara ingqondo beyilahlekile yabona.
Okay, so when you got to the guy's place and then the guy started you know around what time?
I think 10.
What was going through your mind 10. Then?
Njengoba ngitshe bengilahlekele ingqondo angazi ukuthi benginothi yenza uqede yenza uqede benginothi yenza uqede angithi into oyifunayo
And then did you go back to the police station ulo confront ukuthi why ba mo ntshitse?
Okay. Mara qeda umkhipha. Fonele that guy lo bekaphethe case. Arena yithu o tswile behang.
Ha itse tswile ba.
Hayi.
So guy ana criminal record.
I get are case by transferele go someone else. Of which motho o tswile because ona hore ba mo transferele ba mpuditse vele ba nsenditse message hore the case is closed. Aka le khoto aka bona the case is closed.
Case e close yang e so buliwe.
Yeah, Sam. Baka se tloele.
And then how did you feel that time? Motho go ja raw. You're not thinking of your health.
Ke no re ira o fetse. Le o shwa ne go nana na rona kampane ke shona ta. Tse tsona nka se dikhone. Cause vele na mpuditse re ya bana after mo ka 6 wa le thoma le go bulaya ka latlhela go le bleaching. Vele ke ntwana ke itse go shwa that day. So next na taba.
And then after how it's at the baraking yene hit no bua ka yone. Did they test you? Did they give you any prep for her own way? Like what did they give you?
Yes. Ban testile ba ira everything. Ba mpha dipilisi. Ba rekitle for counseling.
Did you go?
Ke ile Haiwan then azange baphinda bangibitsa.
Oh, so it was only one day.
Yes.
And then how was that session? Did it help you in any way?
Ngisho ngisizile because ngikhalile ngishapo like noma umuntu nje athi yo Natasha like sengifree ngiyakuxoxela nginandaba nje futhi sekuyinto nje endlulile kudala ngisanandaba ngisizile because ngikhalile.
Didn't that damage relationship you and Mutho?
Next sham.
Didn't you
Like,
feel like how to protect her?
Ungiphe isikhathi like umuntu nawe like mawufira life for life yakho, you understand? Like ngifile kanjalo ukuthi ungifailile like kanjani nawe ndoda ulwanga like yabona but on the other side ngacabanga ukuthi maybe naye uyele wasaba njengami nje yabona maybe usaba ukuthi unomntwana uzosho umntwana and others angazi ukuthi why but ngifile ngathi ungifailile somehow but yena nje after that thing azange ngifostele nje to anything else nje uyele wanginika isikhathi ngizoshapo right nje nokwenza izinto nje beyangangifosti umuntu uthi uyangekelela ukuthi ngize ngihile beshapo. Yes.
And then how did that whole situation affect your family? Since we kidnapile pela jarata ko yena.
Into angayisho ukuthi umama wami even today akakahili because umuntu ukuthi even though ngithi ngemall call someone hamba nomuntu Natasha ungambi kakhulu like maybe say let's say ngiye shop ekseni ngizobuye ngo11 Natasha biza umuntu akhabe like ngiyabona ukuthi ayekho comfortable ukuthi ngingaphumela ngaphandle you understand nanoma ngise next door uzofuna ukungibiza kaningi ngicheck ukuthi okay usasekhona mangisamuye maybe mall uzongifonela Natasha uyabuya kwenzakalani igcwele yo like you affected too much nanoma nje alele you will see ukuthi okay akalali kahle sometimes ingqondo the way ucabanga ngakhona it's the way mawulele uzophupha izinto nje ezifana nengqondo yakho ezikutshela zona so uzokutshela ukuthi yo ngiphuphe yazini ngiphuphele umuntu loyana makabona imoto nje sekumuntu ukuthi noma imoto izimela sekumuntu ukuthi uyavika expect anything else nje engayenzeki wena sen into nje sound pa like yam affect icricket udamagekile but
what about you?
Ngishapo
When
like nginomtshela ukuthi mama no don't do that because mina ngihilile ngishapo ungayenzi lento le because ungibuyisele emuva no mele ngenze wena ukuthi ushile instead of ukuthi mina wena wenze mina ukuthi ngicine you understand mina yimi kumele ngenze wena ukuthi uphole so nje im-affecte kakhulu like im-affecte kakhulu.
Okay, and then what I want to understand relationship ya wena le motho how no lesale together and how old were you then when the
21.
You were 21?
No ngina 21 I think I was 19 yeah 19
And then how does the guy find out hore lebitso lao asile mo fileng lona?
Okay mangiloku ngihlele ekhaya yabona ngiloku ngicabanga ukuthi okay makathi attitude umuntu engamuphi attitude umuntu so and then lo muntu lo ngiyakhumbula beyangakhulumi beyasemotweni so masibe crash mangiloku ngihamba la estradini abantu bangitshela ePitori kunabantu abadlala amadayisi for a living ne so mangiloku ngihamba abantu bangitshela Federa Natasha umuntu phela utserine rina nersa yithi utlila tlobutsisa ka Natasha mara nersa na 100 kwena nabo Natasha bayithu estradini ahlala khona so nersa na 100 kwena so after describe hore nyaka motho ba reng ke Zandile o eme so wabona so re ina ra ntsha wena cause o describe le ka di-post tsa hao so obviously ke nna and then a se motho mongwe so ka mkho ngikreile ka mkho vela hore okay bamdirect una so and umuntu makafika angeke athi ngifuna ukumbulala yabona uzobuza as in like ufuna into important ukufunela into eserious kanti no yo umuntu ngifunela into nje engekho.
So do you think
So bona bamdirect ukuthi
the
ngihlala
guy targeted you?
yes
You think so?
like beyangakhulumi bekabhekile observile so shothi nje ingqondweni yakhe was like ngizomlaya.
And then how far from your place does this guy stay?
1 kilometer.
1 kilometer.
Ngiyacabanga.
So it's not that far.
Yes.
Do you know anything about him? Azang labuya la lobotsa managerene bale gore taba e tsamayang cause they probably know.
Shem into engayisho ukuthi even though sifika kule ndawo leya mabamfuna ne community. Yibo aba Nigeria labo yavala igate angafuna ukuzivulela. Yibo nje baba protector everything lapha emarumini. So you don't know ukuthi babonke. Oh nabo
Maybe basaba
baza something else.
abana maphepha or whatever.
So yibo laba bavala igate community inda pijamp igate bazothola.
And then bekungena ma stand lapha.
Nani?
Ma stand like landlord.
No beyangekho.
Bekungena ma stand la. Okay.
Yeah, umnikazi wamaroom bekangekho. So yeah. Yibo nje abazivalele so. Abana ngathini? Ay, abanazwelo man. Like ungizwile uthi bemkokoda izolo, ne? And then next thing yabona amaphoyisa. This thing is serious uyayibona. So why validate?
Obviously banenkinga zabo nabo bangafuni ukuthi amaphoyisa
abanazwelo shem labantu labo.
So what I'm just no brave enough how sa bona koloi how sa tap.
Shem anginandaba. Anginandaba mina shem. Ngiphila like ngi-free. Like abanye abantu baze bangithuka bathi u-enjoyile hayi unamanga umuntu wakhe hayi sugar daddy yakhe anwazi lama 2K of which asiphume emakhaya afanayo and then ukusikhulisa abasikhulisi ngendlela efanayo so of which umuntu wonke umuntu makathi 2K wazi into emadoda imali everything asikhuliswa indaweni esifanayo so abantu nje abangithukile mostly because of the way ngakhona ngile ngaphuma mama mbeka ngithuma kahle angibuza uzopha sharp uzoyishopeni like ngwabona amehlo ukuthi okay fine ayakhuluma athi shame enhlizweni kubhlungu ukuthi okay fine yabona amehlo la anolo ukuthi shame noma umuntu angibulisa siyona thesha usharp mara sharp ngabonisa ukuthi okay fine mara into engayisho ukuthi ngihilile cause umuntu nomuntu une healing yakhe sometimes umuntu uyacula mina ngikhalile ngisharp.
Okay, so this guy unahana gore he was there unabatla wena specifically ha fihla jarateng.
Yes. But are when unathasa you are not Zandile.
And then how do you feel about people saying ho not to enjoy?
Yo, shem. Yang phula leyo ni worse cause I was like umzali uzokhuluma le into leyo. Awumazi umntana ukuthi wenza ziphi kusasa. Awumazi uzothuka umntana omuntu uthi yena beka enjoy. Of which awukazi ungibone ngema namadoda oyimoto yomuntu umuntu omdala. Awungazi. And then kunalento lokuthi umuntu maybe uke wazama nje ukuthi like maybe akushare other stuff wangamvumi therefore uzenza everything ukuthi ayimoshe igama lakho so azange ngazi entertain lento lezo vele bekubhlungu but mangithi ngiyabheka umuntu okhuluma yayi lo.
So this incident happened ka birthday yangwana how?
Yes.
How old was your child turning that day?
2.
2. Okay. And then didn't that affect like your intimate relationship le motho how?
Affected. But then ngibekezelelile njengoba ngisho ukuthi azange ngiforce nje until mina ngize ngithi sharp. Yes.
I mean you don't get flashbacks.
No.
So for really like
but yabona makubirthday umntana nje nginothi yo konje kumele ngemoli kumele yabona nje iyabuya lento leyo but nje hayi kuko konke ngiyaphila normal. Right. Yes.
Yeah. Well, thank you for sharing your story. It's a hectic one. At least you went for counseling. I'm glad for that. Thank you for your time. What advice would you give the youngsters? What advice would you give the youngsters? Ma 2000 I wouldn't, okay, for because this incident happened it was late and then next thing Ukawa advise like just to be safe or to be cautious next time.
There's into engayisho ukuthi guys yo ukuhamba ebusuku akukhokheli and then ungathembi umuntu. Ungathembi umuntu ungambheki ukuthi angaba umkhulu wakho angaba ubaba wakho. abantu abamanje abanama-manners especially abantu abadala laba babheki ukuthi umntwana oyini. So ungabheki ukuthi uyasmile uyatshina onemoto yo guys labantu abayingozi. Labantu laba abasithandi like abasithandi. Into abafuna ukuyenza nje ukusiyuza. Bheka manje umuntu ufela ukuthi uya-act une-attitude of which ngulo muntu loyo but i-attitude yami I mean ukuthi nginenhliziyo embi. Nedwa ukuthi umuntu ukuthola isikhathi uthi akwazi. But labantu laba abasithandi. Sometimes uzwana nama-mates wakho kushap. Ungahambi uyobheka ezinye izinto abantu laba abasithandi. Ba-benefita from everything le abasenza yona. You understand?
So what would you say to the guy that did this to you if he's watching now?
Into engayisho ukuthi akazithandi.
Shiba camera.
Awuzithandi baba umdala firstly and then ungaba nomntwana ungaba nomzukulu ofana nami olingana nami but instead you took an advantage kimi. So awuzithandi because if ubaba angeke uhamba ufaka uzi-expose konke lo muntu. Awuzithandi. But mina ngizithandile ngichoose ukuthi ngihile over everything. Angeke ngifile small ngenxa yento yenzile.
And what would you say to your mom since she's still worried?
Into engayisho ukuthi mama khuleka mina ngisharp ngi-right. Like ngi-free khuleka nje ngami. Ungazami ukungistop ukuthi ngiphile impilo yami and everything. Baningi abadlule kule situation le of which akusimi ngiyi-one. And then into engayisho ukuthi nami angifuna ukuba yila mantombazane ukuthi amotivate amanye amantombazane ukuthi okay fine. If umuntu wadlula kule situation le heala thola anything nje ongayenza ukuthi uhile man. Umuntu nomuntu une-healing process yakhe. Ungacula, ungakhala, it's not wrong ukuthi ukhale. Khala mntana sekhaya and then into engayisho ukuthi le perpetrator le ayingawini. Umuhle. Zithande wena and eqala ngawe. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your braveness and for your story. And I'm so proud of you for being able to heal and stand up to this monster of a man. Ne? And then do you have a relationship with your dad?
Ish. Yeah, nyana.
Nyan. Where was he when this whole incident happened?
Hlale Joburg eh.
So he never got to hear about it.
Akazi futhi.
Uzobaqala kuzo.
Futhi nje uyizipopotana ngicabanga nokuthi uzowazi. Izipopotana. Lava ababhizi ngamafoni ku social media ama relative yiba bazombonisa. Uyizipopotana futhi nje akekho nje empilweni yethu so I don't care.
Well, thank you for your time, baby girl. And good luck with your relationship. Yo, that was a hectic one, guys. Y'all know what to do. Comment down. If you were in similar shoes, how would you treat it? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and also become a member. I'll see you guys again next week. Ciao, ciao.